So hey guys, in this video we are gonna talk about Git and GitHub here. So I have opened my GitHub account. So as you can see, this is a GitHub profile here. I have created some of my repositories. So what is GitHub and what is Git? So first we will understand these terms. So so Git. So Git was created for version control system. Okay. So Git was created for version control system. In Git, we can store our repositories locally. Okay, in Git we can store our repositories locally. So I can show you what is Git Bash and Git here. So this is GitHub. GitHub is used to store our code globally. That is for remote. So Git is for local, GitHub is for remote. I can write it down here. You should understand the difference between Git and GitHub. Okay, so GitHub is for storing your code remotely. So this is a basic difference, and we can start off by saying Git first, and then we can jump on onto the GitHub. Okay, and we can add on points here in our notepad. So first we can see Git over here. So we will open a Git bash over here. You can open both Git GUI and Git bash, but I will prefer that you should open Git bash so you have a nice control over Git commands. So I will open Git bash here, as you can see. In Git bash, we will create a file first. To creating a file, we will use make directory command, that is mkdir. So make directory. Suppose we name the directory as demo. Okay, so we will first create like I have created one mistake. First, we should create a repository first. So we will first create a repository in Git bash. So for creating a repository first, we will type in a command git and net. So we have created a repository. As you can see that this is a master branch. We will get back to it later, what's master and branching. So in Git, we first initialize a repository by using git init. So in git init, we will make a file called as make.dir demo. In that demo, we will go into the demo. For the going into the demo, we will use catch directory command and the file name we want to go. So cd demo. After we are in the demo section, as you can see in my laptop, there is OneDrive, and we got into desktop and we got into demo. So afterwards, we will just add some files. For adding some files, you will use git we will make some files first with touch command. So we are making a file name app.css and index.html. So whenever we use a touch command, a file is made. Like whatever extension it is, a file is made using a touch command. So enter. So in demo, we have created a file name app.css and index.html. Okay, then we will add these files into our local repositories by using git add all. For adding all the files, we will use this full stop called as period. So if you want to add just one file, you would write git add app.css or any of the file name you are wanting to add. You are just writing that one particular name if you want to add one particular file only, but if you want to add all the files, you should write it as git add full stop means git add all. After you have added all the files, it goes to staging area. Okay, first I will let you know the flow, how it's going in our desktop or in our, what we will say, it's notepad. So first we created a git repository using git init. Then we added a file. Then we added a file using command. Then we created our files using a command touch and added some file. After that, we have used git git add all. This command adds all file to a staging area. There are basically three things you should notice. First is there are files added to staging area. Then it goes to a initial commit, and then we push it into a remote or remote directory that is none other as our GitHub. So you may make some files in a local repository using git, and then you push it into the remote directory using GitHub. Okay. For pushing it into GitHub, we use a command called as git push. This will push all our codes in our local machine to a remote live website that is called as GitHub. GitHub have supplementaries like you can use GitLab also, and Bitbucket, all are the same, but for most of the developers use GitHub. After that, we will see how we push our initial code or initial files into GitHub. So these are Git bash. Okay, we have added our files index and app.css into a staging area. After that, we will use a command called as git commit. So after we have added all our files into git staging area, we will commit. We'll use git commit. So our codes get committed, and we will type in a message. For typing a message, we will type -m inverted commas. We will type in a message that app dot css and index dot html got added. These are the messages are best practices. So whenever you go back to a like last commit, you will see what are the changes have been done. Okay, so adding a message is a best practice. You should always remember in mind. So after all our initial commits, we will enter. So we have committed. As you can see, there is a message called we have committed to master branch app.css and index.html got added, 2 files changed, and 0 insertion and 0 deletions. So if you want to see what we have done till now, you can just type in git log. So it's a log basically. You can see what we have done. So in git log, you can see we have just committed one for once, and this is a hash code. Like this is a hash code. If you want to go to our previous comments, that we will discuss later in this video. So we have till now till now we have seen some commands. We'll type that in. So after that we have seen not git push, git commit. We have seen after this we will see a command called git push. How we push that into a remote repository. And before understanding this, we should understand why we commit and what is the need of committing our code. Okay, so when you play a game, okay, suppose you are playing a game and at a certain level you want to save your game. Okay, at a certain level you want to save your game. So when you save a game and for example you play further after saving your game, then you die. So you don't have to start from a level 1. You have to start from a level where you have from where you have saved the game previously. Okay, so that's what we do in our git. We save our code using a commit, that is our commit, and then we go further to our code changes, and whenever we do another commit, we can get back to our previous commit. Okay, that's like a game. Like you have saved a game on a certain level, then you further play a game and then you die, but you can respawn into the game from where you have saved the game. Okay, there is no need to start again from level 1. If you have saved a game on level 2, you will come back to it after you have died in the game earlier. So that's how it works. You can do n number of commits and you can get back to a commit or a previous version by doing n number of commits. That's like saving a game. You save a game at certain level, you further play a game and you die at a certain level, but you get back to the or you respawn at a level where you have saved your game. That's what the commit is all about. You save your game at a certain version and you further code and commit to a newer version, but you can come to our old version by using a previous commit or previous commit hash code. We will see that later, like in this video only. We can just see first how to push our code into our remote repositories first. So like I need to push this app.html and app.css and index.html into where remote repository called as GitHub. So first I need to make a repository in my GitHub account. So you can see this is all my remote repositories. So first you need to create a new repository here. In this repository you type in a name whatever you wanted. Like I can write in repository name as demo is available. You can keep your repository as public or private, but I think private, maybe they are charging some fees in private, but you can always keep your code public. That's how you show your work on do open source contributions. So you can add a readme file. A readme file is nothing but a documentary type where you can type in some messages related to your code and what is your code all about. So just hit create repository, and no need to care about these all sections. So just create a repository here. We will create a repository here and named as demo. So here are some of the commands they have given to set up an origin in our bash. So we will use this git remote add origin. So we can just add a origin, like that's a pipeline to connect our bash or a pipeline to connect our code that we have locally to add the code globally. Okay, this is a origin. Like you are setting a pipeline here, like setting a origin. Like I need to go from like I need to go from river side, like one corner of the river to another corner another bank to another bank, that is like a bridging part. You can use a git remote add origin. It it acts as a bridge, so you need to add this command like copy, and then you need to right click and paste it over here. So we are adding a bridge to our local two remote repositories. So you have created and we have created a bridge by using uh, git remote add origin command. So like let me write it down here. To push your code, you need to add a origin path so that your your code can be pushed remotely. Okay, so to push your code you need to add an origin path so that your code can be pushed remotely, because our code is on our local machine. Okay, then we need to push it into our remote website. Then we need to use a, a command named as get push. Okay, get push, and there are something called as branches. You will write a branch name here. So there are n number of branches, but first of all you need to understand what is the master branch. Okay, so our code is in our local machine. We need to get our code into a remote website. We use git push, but first of all we need to add an origin, that is a bridge. I have told you about this. What is a bridge? How can you add a bridge or a origin path in your code? By just clicking on this this one little snippet of the code, get remote add origin, so that a bridging or a bridge is created between a local machine and this remote website. Okay, so now we can just get push. uh, there is a code also for push. You just have to copy that, get push, and paste it, and just remove this. So get push into origin master. As you can see, the branch master set up to track the remote branch master from origin. So we have pushed our code into our master branch. How can we see that? Just go into your repository. We are in the demo. Just refresh it. So as you can see, we have pushed our code remotely into our GitHub account. You can see app.css and index.html. We have pushed our code into a remote repository called as demo, which is in a master branch. Okay, we have pushed our code into master branch. Okay, so now we can see, now we will see what are branches, how you create a branch, how you can check out a branch, how you can get to a previous version. Okay, so in git bash we will somewhat like remove rm. Rm is for removing a file. We will remove a file named app.css. Done. We have removed app.css from master branch. Okay, we are doing all the things over here till now in master branch. We have not touched or not created any branch that is totally different from master branch. So we have removed an app.css from master branch, and we will just commit all the changes. So first of all, we will add these files to staging area. This is a flow. You do something, you add that into staging area, then you put a commit, and then you push into a remote server or remote directories or remote files that we call as GitHub. So git add, we have added that into our staging area. Then we can just add git commit with the message dash m git message that is uh, removed removed app.css. So we can just commit that. So we have deleted app.css from our master branch, and we will just uh, we will push it into, no need to push, we will just see like what has happened till now. Okay, so we will just git log. You can see we have committed twice. In this commit we have app.css. Okay, app.css and index.html got added. In this commit we don't have app.css. So how, like I have said you in the example. For example, you are playing a game, you have saved on level 2, you go to level 3 and you die, okay? But you can always come to your saved parts that is on level 2. You have saved on level 2, okay? So in Git also, if you have something got wrong in the next commit, you can always come back to your previous commit from where you saved, okay? To get to the previous commit, or to get where app.css was present, get you need to just type in a command like git checkout, and that hash code. This is the hash code to the previous commit or the previous saved previous saved code, like just like that. So look, we are on to a different version now. Okay, we are on to a different version where app.css and app.html are still there. App.css is still there. It's not been deleted. Okay, we are still in a different timeline. Like you can say this, it's a different timeline only. We can, like it's a time machine. You can say we got ahead of time. We deleted some file, and then we go to the past where the files were still present by using git checkout git checkout hash code. Okay, git checkout and hash code. So till now we have seen what is uh, git checkout, how you can go to the previous version. Okay, now we will see how to create a new branch. For creating a new branch, we write git checkout dash b, and the branch name we will create, that is a new branch. So we have created a new branch here with all the files that are in master branch gets copied into the new branch. Okay, we have created a version that is different, but we have created the same version onto a different branch where we can write our own code without disturbing the code in the master branch. Okay, so we have created a new branch, and a new branch that is a copy of master branch. So we can just write our code into a new branch, and then if we have created a new feature that is more likely to be in the master branch, so then we can just merge our new branch into master branch. That we will see in the further video, how we will just merge our new branch into the master branch. Okay, so you can see by typing here git branch, how many branches are there. So look, there is a master branch, and a new branch. Means the code that is in master branch gets copied in the to the new branch, and in new branch we can write our new code. And then if the new code is relatively more reliable, and if it's have new features or whatsoever, and you want it to be into the master branch, then you will just create a pull request, and then you can merge that into the master branch. That we will see in a further video, how we will just create a new branch, and we will just merge it into the master branch. Like now we are in new branch, and we will create a file called as, by touch command we will file called as new.py. We have created a file in new branch, and we will add that by git add. Okay, that's a space in there. Git add, we have added that into the staging area, and we will git commit dash m with new python file. Okay, we have committed that new python file, and we will just git push it into our git push into git push origin dash u origin into a new branch. We will push that into a new branch. Okay, so files have been pushed into the new branch, and we will also git push dash u into origin master to save our files. Okay, to get to the master branch, we will use called as switch c master. As you can see, the head is toward the new branch, but we would like to be in the master branch itself. So we are so it's not working. Let's see what happened to our GitHub account, and we'll just refresh it. And you can see we have created a new branch, and it's visible here. Look, all the files have been copied into a new branch, and we have a new file added, that is a python file has been added to our new branch. Okay, and if you want this new branch to be merged into our main master branch, you need to create a pull request. Okay, so we will create a pull request here. So new python file, we are add this new python file into the master branch. Okay, so we have created a pull request, so it can be merged into our main branch. Okay, I am only the one who is working with this, so I am the owner of the branch only. So here I can just the owner of the master branch would be different in your case, but this is for demo purpose only. So you can see I have created a branch that is a copy of the master branch. I have changed some code. I have edited some file, and now I am merging this my new branch into the master branch. So the master branch will now change. So you are understanding. I'm trying to make you understand that whatever changes you made in your version, and you need your version to be in the master branch, you need to create a pull request for the same. Okay. So I will merge the pull request, confirm merge, and pull request successfully merged and closed. Okay. So you can see here in our code that in demo file a new Python file will be added. Look, a new Python file has been added to our master branch, and there is no app.css because we have deleted that, but that would be there in the new branch because the new branch is a copy of master branch. Okay. So that's all for the video, and my name is Ashish, and this was all about Git and GitHub for a beginner level to start. Thank you, and see you next time.